Jaco, in difficult economic circumstances, what are the issues that an employer needs to consider when contemplating retrenchments?
So retrenchments are actually very prescribed in terms of the Labour Relations Act. Section 189 of the Act prescribes the process needs to be followed, as well as under which circumstances you can retrench. So it deals with issues like financial reasons or structural, operational reasons of the organisation. And then you need to consider, apart from the reasons, you need to consider issues like the timing of the dismissals, any alternatives to avoid the dismissals, any alternatives to minimize the number of dismissals, your selection criteria.
What alternatives are there?
So that could be, depending on the circumstances, alternative positions, reduction of wages, short-term implementation, depending really on the organisation. They will have to consider which alternatives are possible for them to try and avoid these retrenchments. And they have to consider all these alternatives and all the proposals that the employees propose. They need to consider and give feedback as to why it is not feasible before they can retrench. So retrenchment is actually really a last resort. If there are no alternatives available to avoid it, then only can you retrench.